Hi everyone, QCount here. As we all know, many people are hesitant to get into VR for many good reasons, such as motion sickness, rising prices, and concerns about headset maintenance. These all can be very good and intimidating reasons. And that is exactly why I'm here, to help make VR easier, more comfortable, and more accessible for everybody. One of the biggest weaknesses of every VR headset can be its lenses. They are easily scratchable if you are not careful, and once they scratch, it's very hard and costly to fix. So a better way than fixing the problem is to actually prevent the problem. And that's why today I finally decided to get myself a set of prescription lens inserts from VRRock. So in this video I will be unboxing and installing these VRRock lens inserts for my Meta Quest 3. But before we jump in, please take a second and hit the subscribe button over here, because I'd love to have you join me on this journey. Without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and check what we got. Before I decided to get these ones, I was on the fence between Zenni and VRRock. The reason that I got the VRRock and not Zenni is because this one can be attached magnetically, unlike the ones from Zenni. And that's one of the reasons, if not the biggest reason, that I got the VRRock so far. Now let's go ahead and open it. Right after opening the package, we are greeted with an amazing box. The box is made of carton, but of a good quality carton, and it looks pretty sick. Inside, we get a nice case for our lens inserts from VRRock. The quality is actually really good. And the etching looks great too. And now for the lenses. Each lens, as you can see, it's individually packed with a zipped plastic bag, which, as you can see, it's unopened. This makes sure that they are safe and won't get scratched during transport. And as you can see, there are magnets over here, as I mentioned before. It seems that these two, unlike the other two, came packed into the same bag. And last but not least, we get the microfiber cloth for cleaning our lenses. These are always welcome because I love them, and I will never have enough of these. This is what comes inside the box when you order VRRock prescription lens inserts. So these are just the frame inserts that will be put in our Meta Quest 3. Let's go ahead and open them. The seal was pretty tough to remove, which is a good thing. Right away, after looking at them, we get to see that we have engraving over here. It says R, and this should be the left side. As you can see, it says L. Now for the lenses, let's open them. Very slowly, we take a look at them. The build quality seems good. They even have blue light blocking. This one seems to be the right one. We have it over here. And this one is the left side. Before we install these protective lens inserts, take a microfiber cloth. Then we take our Quest 3 or any headset that you have, as I said before. Put it with face down on the table, just like this. We do this on a microfiber because we do not want our front to be scratched, since this is important too. After that, we make sure that we have cleaned the lenses inside. There are quite a few ways to clean these lenses, but the best one that I like to use is a combination of microfiber and an air gun like this. This one is rechargeable, and you can use it unlimitedly if you keep recharging it. We go ahead and open the microfiber cloth that we just got. Then, before I use the cloth, I always like to use the gun. This way I can remove the majority of the dust. After that, we take the cloth and with one finger we do it very slowly like this, all around the lens, all around the borders of the lens inside. But remember to not use too much strength. As we can see, now it's pretty cleaned. After you are done and you think that the cleaning went pretty well, we take our inserts. This is left and this is right, and on both of these we have the arrow pointing up. So that means we need to do it with these letters facing up. Let's go ahead and try. First, let's try the right one. As you can see, we need to keep spinning it a bit until it finds the right place. We check if it's fitting good. The right side is pretty snug and it's not moving, which is great. Now we go with the left side. So we find the arrow pointing up. Then just drop it in here and slowly move it around until it finds the fit. And now, as you can see, it's fitting pretty well. We do some more cleaning one more time, because this way we get to remove the dust that was gathered during the time that we were putting these on. After that, we do the same thing to our lenses which we just got. We take them and then we scrub them real good with the cloth that we got before. As you can see, it's pretty clean. Now this one says left. So now this is one of the biggest reasons that I got these lens inserts from VR Rock and not from Zenny. And that reason is magnetism. I like to have my lenses magnetically attachable so that I can remove them anytime I need to clean them easy, without having to worry that I will scratch my VR lenses during the time that I'm trying to remove the other lenses. As you can see, the magnets are over here, 3 magnets here, 3 magnets there. And then we take it with L as we did before. And then we drop it over here, and as you can see, it fits pretty good. Now we do the same for the second one. Don't forget to clean from both sides. And then, just like we did with the other one, we align it and let the magnets do the rest. Just to make sure that they are strong and they won't fall, I will do a test by lifting the MetaQuest 3 up and shaking it. As you can see, it holds pretty good and the lenses did not fall. So that means they are very well inserted and they won't be a problem for us. Now let's go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, they work pretty well. And now we will be putting back our Bobo VR head strap. And just like that, everything is set up and ready to go. Let me know what you think about these lenses. Should I have gotten other lenses, and if so, which ones do you think are best, or at least better than the VR Rock ones? And what lens inserts you use for your MetaQuest 3 or for any other VR headset that you are using. And I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.